Hey Kay, we did a few things with your swing on Wednesday. We talked about your grip, which I'll get to later on in this session, and we talked about the way your swing works. Now, your swing tends to go around the corner a little bit too much when it goes back. We want to try and get your hands going on more of a straight angle up and down. So where you finish back over here is a little bit too far back behind you, which gives you a flat angle back down to the ball. So when you have a flat angle back down to the ball, it makes it harder to get to the ground. So because of that, you have to drop down a lot. We can see how your body drops down. You do a lot of that dropping down just in an effort to hit the ground where the ball is. So if we can get your backswing more upright, it'll be much easier for you to get the club back down to the ground, and you won't have to have as much of that dropping motion that you have with your body. In order to do that, we needed to change your grip a little bit to give you a chance, because when we made your hands more upright, straight away there was getting some funky movements with your club and your hands. So I had to change your grip. So in changing your grip, what we worked on was, so talking about your grip here, we'll just go through and we'll talk this over. So on this place, so we're looking down here, left thumb's on top of the handle, two knuckles are visible here. We want to try and get your underside of your right thumb on top of that left thumb there. So that not quite right at the moment. We can see that we want to try and get, that's it, pinky finger on top, three fingers on the handle. We want to try and get the underside of your right thumb covering the left thumb, not this heel pad. We can see the heel pad in here, that's too much on top. We want to try and get that more to the side. That's good, really good. So your left thumb is just to the right side, your right thumb is just to the left side. We're going to have a look down the club here now. We can see that there's two knuckles visible on this hand here. One more time, sorry. We can see the two knuckles visible on your left hand there. The underside of your right thumb is covering left thumb. Your left thumb's just visible. We'd like to not have that visible. There should be three fingers in the handle here now, just the pinky finger on top. And as you look down the shaft, the club towards the head of the club, we can see that the face of the club is pointing here nice and square and 90-degree angle to the target line. Okay? So that's your grip. That was what you needed to do to get that back in shape. Now if you get your hands too far over, that left hand too far over, it'll hook the ball a bit to the left. So that's the reason that's going to happen. But I don't think there's going to be too many hooks. I'm pretty sure they're going to be straight. So good luck with the practice. Nice to meet you, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks, Kay.